Welcome to the video on course selection and timetable planning for anthropology students. The following is a list of suggested first-year courses for a student in anthropology. You will notice your first-year required anthropology course, Anth 1006, your required academic writing course, ACAD 1601, some breadth requirements, and electives. You'll also see an asterisk with some information for students in concurrent education. Concurrent education is available to anthropology students pursuing an honors double major. If this is something you are planning for, you are required to take 6 credits of math from the list provided. This will satisfy your required 6 credits of science breadth requirements. Concurrent anthropology students will also want to review the presentation for their second major to ensure that they're on track for both. A list of what courses count towards the humanities and science breadths can be found on the next slide. You can also find this information at nipissingU.ca/NSO under the Course Selection tab, as seen within the Academic Advising's intro video in the NSO module. Courses within these course codes can be counted towards your breadth requirements for your degree. You can either hit pause and review them right now, or you can also find these on the NSO website under course selections. Now that you know where to find a list of what to take, let's focus a bit on actually building your timetable. First, you will want to print off a blank timetable so you can start to pencil in your options and ensure you aren't trying to register for 2 courses that are taking place at the same time. You can find a timetable on the NSO website. Start off by clicking on the Course Selection tab, the Direct from High School tab, and then the Timetable Planner link. You'll see one side of the timetable is for the fall term. Be careful to only add fall courses to this side of the page. Your winter courses will go on the back side where you see the WI term. Some courses run for the full year. They're listed as FW on WebAdvisor. You will write those courses on both the fall and on the winter sides of the timetable. Pay careful attention to which side of the sheet you're writing your courses on, as it is easy to accidentally write something on the wrong side and get yourself mixed up. There will be another video assisting you with WebAdvisor, but let's take a quick look so you know how to tell if a course is available in the fall or the winter. Here's a quick screenshot of the math offerings in WebAdvisor, just to give you an example of how to tell which semester a course is being offered in. As you can see, the course codes are followed by 2 letters indicating what term the course will be offered in. FA meaning the course runs from September to December, WI meaning the course runs from January to April, and FW meaning the course runs from September to April, all school year. Next, let's take a quick look under Anthropology so we can pencil in your first course together. Don't worry if you aren't sure how to get here. You can review the Registrar's Office's video for assistance navigating WebAdvisor. You'll see from this screenshot that you have the option of taking your required Anthro 1006 in either the fall or in the winter. You'll notice the fall section, labeled with the FA, is offered via distance learning. You'll see the winter section, labeled with the WI, is available on campus. As an example, let's imagine you wanted to take the course in the fall. You would pull up your blank timetable and write Anth 1006 on the bottom of the fall side. There's no meeting information for this course, but it is still helpful to write the course code down on your timetable as a reminder for when you go to register for your courses. If you'd plan to take the course in the winter, you'd want to find both Tuesday and Thursday on the winter side of your timetable and draw a box blocking off 1 through 2:30 p.m. on both Tuesday and Thursday. Include the course code and the section number WI001 to make it easier to find when registering. On-campus courses are at least 3 hours per week. If you notice you've written down less than 3 hours for any on-campus winter course, be sure to check WebAdvisor to see what you may have missed. Let's look at another course on your list, ACAD 1601, or Academic Writing. You'll see this course is offered several times in both the fall and in the winter. Because you have so many options for this course, with both distance learning in the fall and distance and on-campus learning in the winter, you'll want to make this one of the last ones that you pencil into your plans. Don't forget to take it, but start considering what else you should decide on before you pick where ACAD fits best. Students planning on a full course load will be registering for 5 courses in the fall and 5 courses in the winter. This is an example of how the list of courses we reviewed at the beginning of this presentation might be split over 2 semesters. As we saw, ANTH 1006 and ACAD 1601 are offered in both semesters, so you can choose where you would like to take them. The list of humanities and science options can be found earlier in this video or under the Course Selections tab of the NSO website. Electives are other courses you plan to take based on your interests, academic goals, and course availability. You might decide to use your electives to complete a minor or potentially a teaching subject. Different minor options at Nipissing are as follows. If you'd like to learn more, check out the Academic Advising website for a video about minors and certificates. If you'd like more information about concurrent education requirements and teaching subjects, please review the video found on the NSO website under Course Selection Concurrent Education tab. Take some time now to review the videos by the Reg Office to better assist you in understanding how to navigate WebAdvisor and the registration process. With this information, you should be able to set yourself up a timetable for this year. Once you've planned all of your courses, you can log into WebAdvisor and register. Know that building a timetable and choosing courses can be a long process. Read different course descriptions, consider your different options, and understand that you will have the opportunity to make changes to your course selections even after courses have started in the fall. Once you've registered for your courses, you can email us at advising@nipissingU.ca if you'd like someone to review your selections. If you're having more difficulty and want to sign up for a group academic advising chat, please check out the NSO website for information and instructions on how to do that. Thanks for listening, and good luck as you start to plan for your first year.